This is gonna blow your mind. How did one man and one company change the way we drive and think about energy forever? Founded in 2003, Tesla started as a small startup with a massive dream: to prove that electric cars could be speedy, sleek, and eco-friendly. But the real game changer? Enter Elon Musk in 2008. Under Musk's visionary leadership, Tesla launched the Roadster, a car that stunned the world by going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, on pure battery power. And that was just the beginning. Next came the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y, each model pushing the limits of technology, design, and performance. But Tesla didn't stop at reinventing cars. They introduced autopilot, solar energy solutions, and even robotic factories driven by AI. Today, Tesla is so much more than just a car company. It's a beacon of innovation and sustainability, with Elon Musk steering the ship, a man who's not just thinking about our planet, but about reaching the stars with SpaceX. If this story of innovation and bold dreams inspired you, hit like, share, and subscribe to Faymotivation for more incredible tales of the future. Thanks for watching.